Hey, I'm Mark, and today I'm taking the bark off of a water oak. It's green wood. It's only been a few months since it was cut down, and I like to take the bark off after I sawmill it. This is going to be the face of a mantle, and it's really hard to remove it when it's green like this. But it speeds up the drying. It's going to go into a kiln in a few months, about 4 months, and it'll dry a little better if the bark's off. It'll go into a drying rack. The wind's blowing across it, and then into a solar kiln. It gets over 150 degrees in there during the summer months. A big beam like this, it takes 6 months to get it dry enough. I'm not worried about getting every little piece of the cambrium membrane off right now. It'll be removed completely with a disc, a flat disc sanding, a grinder, and then smooth with an orbital sander. After it comes out of the kiln, it'll be trimmed in the sawmill and then go through all that sanding before it's sold. Well, I'm gonna get this finished up, and appreciate y'all watching.